In this video, I'm going to show you how to import AutoCAD hatch patterns into ARCHLine.XP. AutoCAD files with the PAT extension contain hatch patterns like custom wood and stone, and they can be easily imported and saved automatically to the directory. Here's how you do it. Start by clicking the hatch pattern button in the hatch properties dialog. Then enable the New Pattern button by checking the AutoCAD Style Hatches checkbox. Select your desired PAT files with the multi-selection and you will see the imported hatch patterns displayed in the dialog box. Many PAT files are available for download from websites like cadhatch.com. Once imported, you will have thumbnails accessible within the hatch dialog in your custom hatch pull-down. Now I'm going to show you how to access the imported hatch patterns. Start by clicking the pencil to access the hatch properties dialog, then click on the hatch pattern button. Check the AutoCAD style hatches and in the project select the first one. Okay. We see that we have to change the scale here. Okay, now it looks better. Let's do the same thing with the second one. Hatch pattern button, check the AutoCAD style hatches and in the project select the next one. Okay. We have to modify the scale here as well. And I will also modify the angle to 0. Okay, now it looks more natural. And let's do the same thing with the third one. AutoCAD style hatches and in the project I will select the last one. And also modify the scale to 50. Okay, now it looks good. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye.